The recent weather system in the Kanto-Koshin region has become extremely severe, leading to the unexpected emergence of powerful storms and hail. Hachioji, a city in the Tokyo metropolitan area, has suffered the most damage, with hailstones the size of golf balls, reaching up to 5 centimeters in diameter, causing shattered windows and damaged vehicles.
Residents here and in other areas, such as Aoi, have described the storm as an unprecedented event, with strong winds reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, causing branches to snap and damaging numerous buildings. Many were caught off guard as homes and businesses were not prepared for such extreme weather. Immediately following the event, local authorities quickly deployed emergency services to assess the damage and clear blocked roads. Widespread power outages occurred as winds knocked down power lines, affecting over 200,000 households. Rescue teams worked tirelessly to restore electricity, but the extent of the damage complicated recovery efforts. Widespread power outages occurred as winds knocked down power lines, affecting over 200,000 households. Rescue teams worked tirelessly to restore electricity, but the extent of the damage complicated recovery efforts. The storm also caused flooding as drainage systems struggled to cope with the heavy rainfall, leading to flood warnings in neighboring areas. Meteorologists have noted an increase in extreme weather events this season, attributed to global climate change. While severe storms are not new to the region, the intensity and scale of this particular event have sparked discussions about enhancing urban resilience against increasingly unstable weather phenomena. Strong winds caused branches to snap and tore apart the facades of buildings. Some trees fell onto the streets or became entangled in utility poles. The heavy hail following the storm left vehicle owners feeling anxious about the potential damage. Although local authorities reported no injuries, the extent of the property damage was evident and concerning. Authorities have advised residents to exercise caution due to the risk of landslides and flooding in low-lying areas, as well as rising water levels in local rivers. Phenomena such as lightning strikes, tornadoes, strong winds, and hail may continue to affect the region. It is crucial for the community to stay vigilant and prepared for any further adverse weather conditions. In addition to the strong winds, the heavy rainfall has caused significant damage throughout the area. Trees were unable to withstand the force of nature and fell to the ground, while branches were scattered wildly. Landslides have been reported in several locations, leading to congestion on highways. Torrential rain has also been observed in other provinces, and the persistent downpour threatens to exacerbate the situation further. As mentioned, Hachioji has been the hardest hit by the large hailstones, with residents still hearing thunder and witnessing flashes of lightning. The impact of the storm has left a lasting impression on the community. Many are still in shock as they navigate the aftermath of this unprecedented weather event. As recovery efforts continue, local residents remain anxious about the potential for more storms in the future, calling for improvements to drainage systems, stricter building regulations, and more effective emergency responses to better protect the community.